Be careful, Tatay.
I will. Almost there.
Okay.
Fresh vegetables here, miss. Very crisp today.
They look nice.
And the fish is so fresh, just caught this morning. Here's the ice cream.
Wow, what's next?
Now for the jellies.
So pretty.
And the syrup.
This place is magical. Look at all the fish.
Masarap ba ang ulam? Opo, Lola, ang sarap.
Kumain pa, anak. May gulay din dito.
Salamat po.
Shoot! Nice shot! I got it. Good job.
This red layer will make the costume shine. I'll add these feathers to match. Perfect, it looks so authentic. Ang ganda ng lanterns, no?
Oo, tamang-tama para sa gabi.
Ma'am sir, bili na kayo ng handicrafts.